This video demonstrates steps on what to do when you receive an email notification for account creation. After registering in the application, you receive an email notification for account creation. Administrators can customize this email according to their preferences. You will receive the generic password via email notification. Use this password for logging into our application. The email also contains a link by which you can access the YouTestMe system. It is recommended to change the password after you log in. Click on your avatar in the top right corner and select View Profile. In the Information panel, go to Password Settings. By clicking the Change Password button, you are allowed to change your password. To confirm the changes, click on the Save button.